Hello everybody, welcome to the demonstration video. Now you are seeing login page of the system. Clicking on don't have account, user will be navigated to registration page. Once user is registered into the system, they need to verify their email address to login into the system through the link sent to the email address used while registration. Clicking on the link sent to the email address, the email address is verified. Now user can log in into the system. You can see the dashboard of the user. There are plenty of activities of this user. That is why you can see desktop is filled with different activities. After login, user need to update their profile so that user can use full features in the system. After updating the profile of the user can view their CV in the system and also they can download it. Here are different menus to update profile. After updating the profile of the user, they can view their profile in the form of CV. Also they can download it in PDF form. You can see the downloaded version of user details. Coming to the vacancy menu, you can see vacancy announcement where the form can be filled, and after submitting the form the vacancies will be announced. Update vacancy, you can see different jobs here which you can update. If you click on the jobs, then all details will be populated. Then you can update any one of it and submit into the system. You can see search vacancy. You can see only those vacancies which are listed by other user. You cannot see those vacancies which are listed by the same user who is using the system. Going into the card of vacancy, you can see job details, description of the vacancies, and if you want to apply, then simply click on apply button, then you are good to go. Coming to another menu, applied applicant. Here the job quality analyst has a user who has applied for this job. Clicking on this job, user cannot go directly into the user list because he or she have to pay for the application charge first. For that we have two options in this system. One is eSewa payment and another is Khalte payment. Both are digital wallet in Nepal. Simply we can pay this payment through eSewa now. Confirming the payment. The payment has successfully done. You can download receipt simply by clicking on print receipt. On applied applicant, going into this job, user can view the list of the candidate who has applied for this job. Going and view detail, approving the candidate, the email is sent with the job detail to the user who had applied for the job. Another menu which is posted vacancy. You can see all those posted jobs by the user in this menu. You can see the job detail by simply clicking in the name of the job. Now coming to another menu which is applied vacancies. You can see all those vacancies where user had applied. Clicking on the job name, user can see the job details. Now going on another menu, eligible candidates, user can see all those posted jobs where eligible users are listed. For example, in QA analyst, there are users listed who are eligible for the job, and by clicking on view details, user can request candidate for job. By clicking in this request candidate for job, the email is sent to the candidate where he or she can be notified about the job. You can see the email which has been received where job details are given. Coming to the requested candidate, the job posted is shown, and inside it all the candidates who hadn't performed any action to the request received is listed. Clicking on view details, user can see the details of requested candidate. Now requested job shows those jobs which request is received, and going inside it, user can apply or decline the job proposal received. If user apply for the job, the email is sent to both job seeker and employer. Record attendance is used to record the job seeker presence during job hours, which will be done by the employer, and after the attendance of that particular day, job seeker will be eligible for the payment of the day. Going inside the job, for attendance, date must be selected from drop down, and check the user who are present and click on record attendance. In this way, attendance is recorded of that particular date. Employee payment is the payment option for the employer to job seeker, which first goes to admin and after deducting the commission to the job seeker. Going inside, the job eligible candidates for payment is shown. Clicking on the pay icon, it shows option for payment medium, choosing Khalti payment, providing mobile number and Khalti pin. It gives transaction pin to the mobile number. I have received transaction pin in the mobile number, which is 370355. Clicking on confirm payment, the payment is successful. Now logging out of the system and logging in through super user, you can see the dashboard of super user. Now payment to employees shows those jobs which has pending payment to be done by the super user. Clicking on the job title and selecting one candidate and click on pay button, the payment is done and receipt is generated, deducting the commission amount. By clicking on logout button, you can log out from the system. And that's all for the demonstration. Thank you.